Assalamualaikum. Guess where I am? I am at the Review of Religions. I heard something exciting is happening here. Let's go check it out.
Jalsa Salana Jalsa Salana.
Welcome. You're right to the Great Blind Taste Test. So what we're going to do is we're going to give you a blindfold and a nose swab. Jalsa, would you mind helping her with the blindfold, please? Can you breathe from your nose?
No.
Okay. Now you're going to be given a candy which can be flavored either strawberry, lime, lemon, orange, or blackcurrant. So put your hands forward, facing upwards. This is your candy. Can you put it in your mouth now? Okay. Now, Smila, can you count 10 seconds and think about what flavor it might be? Okay. What do you think you actually ate? What was it, Samila? It was strawberry one.
I'm a bit confused. Why was I not able to get the flavor right?
That's a good question, Luna. 25% of people can tell apart more than one flavor when they have the blindfold on and the nose peg on. They are called our super tasters. And 25% can't taste anything at all with the blindfold and the nose peg on. People who experience Allah Ta'ala, they have a spiritual sense. They don't use their physical senses to see God with their eyes. Just like you couldn't use your tongue and taste the Skittles when you had a nose peg on. Does that make sense?
Yes. Jazakallah.
You're welcome.
Khudafis.
Khudafis.